To twist braided service entrance underground wiring tightly, firstly, you'll need the appropriate equipment including needle nose pliers and electrical tape. 1. Grip the wire ends. Use needle nose pliers to grip the exposed ends of the braided wire about 6 to 8 inches from the end. 2. Separate and twist. Separate the individual strands of braided wire and twist them tightly in one direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. 3. Secure with pliers. Once the strands are twisted firmly, use the needle nose pliers to squeeze the twist together, flattening it and making it compact. 4. Trim jagged ends. If any jagged ends of braided wire stick out, carefully trim them off using a pair of snits or wire cutters. 5. Apply electrical tape. Wrap electrical tape around the twisted end of the wire, starting about 1 inch from the tip and working your way down. Overlap the tape slightly as you go. Here are some tips for getting a tight twist. Firstly, use patience. It takes time and effort to twist the wires tightly, so don't rush the process. Secondly, hold the wire securely. Grip the wire firmly with the pliers to prevent slippage and uneven twisting. Thirdly, pull away from the twist. As you twist, pull the wire slightly away from the pliers to create tension and tighten the twist. Fourthly, inspect the twist. Once twisted, check that the strands are evenly distributed and that the twist is firm and secure. Fifthly, repeat for multiple wires. If you have multiple braided wires to connect, repeat the twisting process for each wire. As additional safety precautions, wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp wire edges. Ensure that the wire ends are clean and free of debris before connecting them. Double check the connections to ensure they are tight and secure before energizing the circuit.